to Eat Well, Live Well. I'm Nancy.
And I'm Susan.
Yay! I had to do it.
I know, you do every time. I love it. That's our show.
That's it. We got to have it in there. So
Yeah.
first, 2025, here we are.
Wow, already.
Already, it's going to fly by fast. We hope everyone had a wonderful holiday season. Now, we know January, you're coming off of a lot of stress, a lot of things to do. So we want to bring you a series. It's called Zen and Zesty Sips and Bites.
Woo, zesty. I like zesty.
And this is going to be all about like things you can make that you can have to grab on the go. Some things that have really great adaptogens to kind of help with the stress, help with the mood, all the different things, but very easy to help you navigate through January, reset, and enjoy, because we got some, fun things too. So what do we have today?
Ooh, today we're making a healthy granola. Yeah, I'm so excited about making this. So I've already in the bowl here, I've already put 4 cups of oats here, rolled oats, old-fashioned rolled oats. And to that, I am going to add pecans. Now, you can chop these or leave them whole, whatever you desire.
Yeah.
We we like them whole. So we left them whole. And then we have some sunflowers, pepper seeds.
Pumpkin seeds.
Pumpkin seeds, see?
Pepitas. Yeah, but you could also do, this is what we're using. You can get very creative. So rolled oats, what makes this one a really nice healthy granola is 1, it's not gonna have all the preservatives that if you bought a store, but 2, it's gonna be things that you love. But rolled oats are really, really great for satisfaction. It's slow digesting carbs, it's a lot of fiber, and then the nuts, healthy fats, they have a lot of trace minerals, so get creative with what you're adding in here.
And then we're gonna add our salt.
And that enhances the flavor.
Yes, very good. And cinnamon. I like cinnamon a lot. So cinnamon has some good antioxidant properties, right?
Very calming. Cinnamon is actually it's a way to increase the flavor of something without anything, calories, anything being added to it. But it actually is a very, very calming effect.
I love cinnamon. It smells really good already. Okay.
I know it does.
And then to that, I'm going to add the melted coconut, which is about 1/2 cup. Now this just pulls it all together, and it helps to give that crunchiness. And of course it's a healthy fat. And then we're going to add we choose maple syrup. And Nancy, why are we choosing maple syrup?
We are staying plant-based vegan, so we are choosing maple syrup as a natural sweetener instead of honey. But someone could use honey, but we recommend maple syrup.
And so if you're in a certain area, like you may want, if you have like really bad allergies, they always suggest that you get a local honey. To help with the allergies. Oh, that's blending very nicely.
You can't smell. We wish always that we had smell-o-vision.
That would be so fun.
So I just want you to see how incredibly simple this is.
Yes.
And go ahead.
Oh, no, you go. This is vanilla, so hit it, Mama.
And vanilla also is a mood enhancer. A lot of people don't know that.
Oh, I didn't know that. I like adding cinnamon and vanilla to like everything. Even if I have like plain yogurt, a lot of times I'll add a sprinkle of cinnamon. And I do my overnight oats. I sprinkle cinnamon on it because it's hard. With a liquid, cinnamon is hard to mix in until it's like heated or whatever. So if you just sprinkle it on the top, it blends in real well. And then when you mix your oats, it's there and ready to mix in.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks so nice. Okay, so now we are going to grab just cookie sheet.
That took no more than 5 minutes.
Right.
And then, so while she's putting this in the pan, so you're just gonna spread it out over the pan. But again, like these make just as Susan was saying, a great breakfast topper. You can put it on top of your protein pudding. You can put it on top of just your dairy-free yogurt. It also makes a fabulous snack to have through the day. And also, it makes a great gift.
Oh, I love that.
Like, what can I give somebody? You've got homemade
Yes.
granola. You can put it in a little container. Get creative.
Oh.
It's not expensive. And it comes from the heart and the home. Like, what's better than
You could
that?
do a whole little breakfast basket for your friend or something. Bring everything that they need for their little breakfast.
Yes.
What a cute idea.
Yes.
Okay, so that's ready to go in the oven, and it's gonna bake for about 21 minutes at 350. And halfway through, you're gonna wanna stir it, and you can pat it back down so it would be more chunky, or you can break it up so it's more loose, whichever you prefer. And you can even break it up after it's done too. If you say, oh, you don't want this big old chunk, you can break it up even more. So it's going in the oven.
Yay! Yeah, so this is just packed with a ton of nutrients that are going to support your sustained energy that you want throughout the day. It's got anti-inflammatory properties, so you can't go wrong.
Tomato
with this
rolled
granola.
off.
And I'm just going to say, it's that easy.
It was.
It's one bowl. And
Boom.
we have said this before, mise en place is when you set everything out, but when you're at home, and you're just making it for yourself, you don't need to put everything in a bowl unless it helps you.
Right.
Like as you're learning some new recipes, this can be a very helpful thing to do. But if you're like, I got this, and just
Oh
one
yeah.
bowl every
Oh
day.
yeah, me too. I have my oats out here. I usually gather everything and then I just start throwing it in the pan. It's a hot mess usually when I'm doing that. Okay, hey guys, so look, we just got it out of the oven. Oh, it smells so delicious. And we had to let it cool for like 45 minutes. So it is at room temperature now. So now I'm just going to add this, if I can get it all together.
Here, I'll hold this side.
You hold that side. Good idea. And then we'll just go one end and toss it in.
Yum!
So that's partnership cooking there. And to that, we're going to add, what was this, like a half?
Shredded coconut?
Shredded coconut, but like I was looking, a half a cup. A half a cup. So you're just gonna toss that in, and we're using cranberries in ours, dried cranberries, but again, you can use any dried fruits that you...
Raisins, apricots, like, again, whatever your favorite thing is, or if you want to have, you could make the granola, divide it in half, and then do one with certain toppings, another one chocolate chips if you want.
Oh, you could. You could add
just
chocolate
saying.
chips. So see, in the bowl now, I'm just gonna toss it all together. And it's ready to go. It's ready to go on in your yogurt, whatever, you know, as a snack. It'd be great.
All right. Very good. So that's
See?
it for today. Oh,
As a little snack.
oh, there she goes.
Little snack. Okay, there we go.
Thank you for joining us today. We'll have the full recipe for this. And now we are on to our wellness shots.
Woohoo, here we go.
All right, so we are gonna pair our healthy granola with the ultimate lemon, turmeric, ginger wellness shot.
Wow,
Did I get it all?
you got it all. That was a mouthful.
Yes.
Very lovely.
Yes, this is fantastic. It's a great way to start your day, to get your digestion going, to get boost your immunity, tons of anti-inflammatory properties. So what are we doing?
Ooh, okay. First, I'm gonna choose to do this in my NutriBullet because it's a small amount, but you could use a juicer, but we're just making it for us today, 2 servings. So I said, why pull out my big juicer and all that? But if you want to make a large batch and triple, double, quadruple this recipe, you'd want to pull out your juicer for that, right? So I've already juiced 2 lemons and 1 orange. So I'm going to add that to the NutriBullet. This is our vitamin C, right, Nancy?
Super dose.
Super dose of vitamin C. And yeah, I love lemon. Okay, so to that, I'm gonna add some ginger. You wanna talk about ginger?
Yeah, so ginger, of course, has the anti-inflammatory properties. It's an antioxidant, and it's really known to aid in your digestion. Also, if you are nauseous, it helps with that.
And then I'm gonna add turmeric.
And turmeric is the Mac Daddy. Like we have turmeric stains all over our hands.
Yes, and the board, and the board.
Yes, but turmeric really boasts amazing antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. It's been in, I'm going to see if I can say it right, Ayurvedic medicine for a long time, with breathing issues, joint pain, so many other things. You cannot go wrong with turmeric in your diet if it works for you.
Right. And to help absorb the turmeric, we're going to add a healthy fat. So we're adding some olive oil here.
And you can actually leave this out.
You can.
Yeah. It's been shown that it might help like absorb like she was saying, the turmeric a little bit more.
All right, so
let's see how it goes in the NutriBullet.
First you got to put the lid on. Do I not have the right lid? I don't have the right lid. So I'm putting the lid on and I'm going to pop it on my NutriBullet here. It's going to be loud. Okay, so now we're all blended. I'm going to shake it down. And then you're going to have to strain it. So oh wow, look at that. So you're going to strain this.
So you're going to really, this shot is, we might have to.
It's okay.
Let's see. Oh, it's straining.
It's straining, yes. Would you mind reaching back there and getting me pull that little door open? I need another wooden spoon, please. I didn't get all of my tools.
The drawer of wooden spoons.
The drawer of wooden spoons.
Yes. So this is going to be very citrusy, spicy, zesty, anti-inflammatory, vitamin C rich, immune boosting, and super tasty. I can't wait.
This is our zesty part.
This is our zesty part.
Well, number one of our zesty.
Yes.
It's still a lot of juice coming out, so you're just going to press until you don't get any more juice. There we go.
And you can actually use the pulp. Like if you're someone who likes to bake or anything, bake it with oats, bake it in a muffin, something like that. So you don't have to throw the pulp away.
I'm going to make Nancy and I a cute little shot here.
Yay!
You know, I have a lot of great little pieces, dishes and things, and I never get to use them. So this is quite fun, us doing this cooking show and us being able to use some of the fun things that we have.
It's like a party.
It is. We are having a shot party here, a healthy shot party.
Healthy shot party.
Okay, and so on the top of that, we're going to add some cracked pepper. Nancy, why?
You want to add the cracked pepper. It actually helps the turmeric absorption, increases it by 2,000%. Yeah.
Wow.
2,000. So you definitely want to add that to it.
Wow.
And it's going to kick up the zest.
Wow, that's amazing.
Ooh, she's getting brave.
I am. I'm so brave. Okay, and so on our little plate, we have our granola that we made. So we're gonna take a little test taste. Let's taste our granola first, okay? So we're gonna take a little piece here.
Delicious.
So good.
You can taste everything in it.
Very, very delicious. Okay, you ready for your shot?
I'm ready.
Woohoo!
Cheers to
2025. Woohoo! Oh, that's spicy.
Wow.
Woo!
Wake up call.
Oh, that was good.
That is really good.
Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy.
I can feel it working already.
Me too. As it goes down.
All right,
No, that's amazing.
Oh my God, that is really good. You definitely want to try that. The whole thing. So we'll have all the ingredients, the recipes below. This is the end of our first one in our series. We have 5 more to go.
Yes.
Yep. So stay tuned. Please share with anyone who is looking to have plant-based recipes, incorporate more into their life. We appreciate you. And
yeah. And remember, get creative with your granola. You don't have to add exactly what we added. Get creative.
get creative and share with us what you
Share below.
get. All right, make it a great day.
Bye.
Bye.